When the Wind Blows by Stacy Clark. When the wind blows, porch doors sway, dune grass bends, sea weaves spray. When the wind blows, balloons escape, beach balls roll, clouds change shape. When the wind rolls, skippers grin, sailing offshore, where windmills spin. When the wind blows, blades rotate, turning gears, accelerate. When the wind blows, copper whirls round between two magnets high above ground. When the wind blows, magnetic forces use electrons as energy sources. When the wind blows, electron power travels down the windmill tower. When the wind blows, circuits ignite, electricity flows day and night. When the wind blows, electrons soar through power lanes, they arrive on shore. When the wind blows, it powers a station, charging the grid that fuels our nation. When the wind blows, it activates lights, warms cold homes, and cools hot nights. When the wind blows, the lighthouse shines, signaling ships through nighttime. When the wind blows, a whistle blasts, electricity powers railroad tracks. When the wind blows, factories hum, harbors light up, and smart cars run. The end.